Welcome, guys. It is a good day. We have Klaus all, well, not put back together, but I have him started. We tore apart everything, got all the heads all got in. I got my new Vulcan cut head gaskets in, got a new Motion Raceworks Valley cover in, and I put the studs in. And I was like, hey, you should probably record all of this now, putting it back together. So I'm gonna go ahead, get started, torquing this down, and go from there. Chad's out there recording a video for the pile, doing all new suspension kit. So we're just gonna both tag team it today and get these cars done. Alright guys, heads are torqued down. Really not that hard of a job. Follow directions, do it right, heads will be good. Next, putting on the Motion Raceworks Breast Cancer Awareness Steam Port Kit. That'll help keep all the pressure nice throughout the engine. Then I'll get the valley covers put on. Oh well, of course I need push rods and rockers. Got to put all those on, put the intake on. Just going to keep plugging away. Should only take a couple hours, famous last words. But should be running here soon. I'm going to keep working at it. Alright, that didn't quite working out. I got the heads all put together. Motion Raceworks all tightened down and put on. I had to get a couple different fittings to make my setup work because my heads already had the threads tapped into it, and the Motion Raceworks kit came with the stock setup. So I had to get some fittings for that. And then a couple people came over, needed help with their cars, figuring out stuff. Helped Chad do his Fortune Auto coilovers, which, depending on when I get this done, you probably already saw it, or you will see it, one of the two. But it's late, dinner time, I'm hungry. I'm gonna stop right here for the night and check right back tomorrow night. Well, probably around 4 or 5 o'clock. Be right back. All right, back at it. Got all the Motion Raceworks goodies put on, or at least most of them. Got the steam port, all nice and good. Breast cancer awareness looking great. Got the valve covers put on. Got everything buttoned up. Next I'm gonna throw the intake on, get that done. Probably get that catch can from Motion Raceworks put on, and then get the headers on and turbos. And keep plugging away at it. Alright, we're back again. Shane and Chad are going to help. I busted a nice bolt off in the head right there, putting on the exhaust manifold, so they're going to help weld up something, and we're going to get that bolt out of here, because I tried yesterday and did not work. So we're going to try, we're going to get that done. Alright, we're back again. Shane and Chad are going to help. I busted a nice bolt off in the head right there, putting on the exhaust manifold, so they're going to help weld up something, and we're going to get that bolt out of here, because I tried yesterday and did not work. So we're going to try, we're going to get that done. Alright, update time. We got the bolt out. Shane's putting on the headers right now on that side. I've been working on this side. Got the little turbo kit put back together, oil lines, coolant lines, all that good stuff. Gotta zip tie this up, clean it up a little bit. Then what do I have? Some more piping over here, and then do the same thing in the other side.
start it.
Alright guys, I think we're done. We got everything hooked back up, everything tightened down, zip tied out of the way, threw oil in it, threw coolant in it, and we're gonna start it up, see if we can go for a drive. Hand it over to Chadrick.
This must be Mike Pence's car.
Oh. Spying on me, those Russians. Yeah, that header wrap's gonna burn off since it's all nice and brand new. But hey, it started up. So I'm gonna pull it outside, let it heat up some more, and go for a drive. Alright guys, we got some great sad news. So, as we're starting it up and stuff, right down here, coolant is leaking out of the head at the bottom. So either it's a faulty head gasket or it's just not torqued down all the way. Something's cracked. I have no idea what's going on. So guess what Chad gets to do? Wait,
take
no.
it all apart.
No. Yeah, we're gonna take apart this side again. I will check the torque on the heads just to see if it's close, and if it was close, then we're just gonna pull off the head anyways and check it out and re-examine it and make sure something isn't broken.
No, we're not.
No, we're not.
We're gonna torque these bolts to 150.
Yep. Crack the heads, crack the block. Texas speed. I could really use a 427 right now. That would be great. Shane, can I finance through you?
Viewers.
Yes. All the viewers, all 10 of you loyal followers.
All 16,000 of you that watched the first startup video and didn't subscribe.
Yeah.
It'd be helpful right now.
It would be so helpful. So, whatever, that's the plan. We're gonna go have a beer. Actually, we're gonna pick up the 150 t-shirts and the rest of the swag that we got, and we're gonna list it online, because it'd be awesome if you guys would purchase it. Buy! And help out, because then it'll go straight into this thing. Oh, you get a wine? I know. It's our life. Our life, but that's the situation right now. So we're gonna drink some beers, and I think I'm gonna do a burnout first. Why not? We'll see you guys.